Hi, this is Anne from Blooming Anomaly, and today I want to show you how to make your own watering system using a 2-liter soda bottle. So I've got my 2-liter bottle, got a knife, scissors to cut around it, and then a stick pin so that the water can drip through slowly. This is how it's going to be sitting in the raised bed. So I'm just going to take the knife and poke it like that, and then just go around it with the scissors as straight as I can. Doesn't have to be perfect. Okay. And then the next thing we're going to do is I'll just poke a few holes. And I'm just going to put 3 holes in there for now. If it's too slow, I might add 1 or 2 more holes. There's my holes. I'm going to screw the cap back on. I'm just going to stick it in. Tip over. I'll just put this much in for now. And then I'm going to put the bottom back on so no debris goes in it. And then you have your do-it-yourself water drip system. Okay, to check out more do-it-yourself gardening ideas, check out bloominganomaly.com.